Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Basic to Finance. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to download Metamask on your Android device. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. If you want to download Metamask application for your Android, first make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. Once you're connected, tap Open your Play Store. Tap on the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Metamask in the search box. Perform your search and you'll be able to see the application displayed on the next page. Tap the Install button in order to begin the downloading process for your wallet. Now, wait until the application gets downloaded and installed on your Android device. Metamask is a software cryptocurrency wallet used to interact with the Ethereum blockchain. It allows users to access their Ethereum wallet through a browser extension or mobile app. Once the application gets downloaded, you'll be able to see an open button popping up right beneath the app. Give it a tap in order to launch the app open. That is how you can easily download Metamask wallet application for your Android device. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.